making this thing. Now we're just going to call it a branch mirror. It's got branches, it's got a mirror. First step was just to cut this square. Now I've got 75 meter square and I've got black wood and metal paint. So I'll quickly paint that. So right guys, you can see we've got the background all painted. We've got our fake branches. So that's how it will look guys. Now the problem is mounting the mirror. There's quite a gap because of the thickness of the branches. We'll have to cut most of this out. Put in a 9mm MDF spacer and then this can be glued to that. Corner to corner. Put a tiny hole in. This is just so the screw can find itself. Now I've laid these on top roughly where I want them. I will now have to cut and make them all smaller. Something like that now. Beautiful. Right, looking good so far.